count them as one of the 6. I can have 6 plus them to help and learn and stuff like that, because they're not going to learn unless they're out there. But at that point, they can't be counted as crew. So, but the crew, you got to take a test. However, it's easy. You got to know a few knots. You don't need to know a lot of knots. 3 or 4 tops. And you just need to know port and starboard and stuff like that. Right. But this is a whole book on knots. But this, for your own knowledge, it's good to have. If you were going to join the auxiliary, this would only confuse you. Learn the ones that they want you to learn. Okay, let's start this up. Let's see if it's going to do anything here. Let's hit menu. No, let's hit record or something. I have no idea. What the hell is that button? Back. Is that power? I even forgot how to use the thing. It may not work yet. It's got to charge up. Off. On. Alright. Now we're recording. I think. Look around. Enjoy. There should be a little circle with 4 arrows. Almost like on the map there, Google Map. But it's going to be probably in the upper left corner. And you can just click on the arrows and it'll turn you up, down, around. Or hold your mouse down and just drag it around. And somebody was actually, is this a boat? Yeah. Somebody was, I forgot what video they were looking at, but they were looking at a video. Let's unplug it because I don't even know if this is going to work right now. I know it's not going to work because it's dead, but it may take a few minutes to charge. Okay, it's starting to charge. They were watching a video. I forgot which one it was. It was with the old shop before all that was over there. I don't even remember if this saw was here. But there was a 360 and he left a comment about it. How he thought it was cool. He liked it. It was fun. And then that made me think about it because I haven't used it. In order to become a member, a crew, you can join, but you can't go on a boat with anybody. Well, you can, but you're not going out as a crew. You're going out, but you're not counted. All right. For instance, on my boat, vessel, whatever it is you want to call it, I needed a coxswain, which is like a captain, and then so it was 1, counting everybody, souls on board, 1, 2, and 4. I needed 6 people on my boat. If one of them weren't certified as crew, I can't. I noticed 2 things. When we were going under the bridge, there was a tank, like a little gas tank there, like a portable, carried 1 gallon, 1.5 gallon, sitting on the foundation of the bridge. Nobody said anything. I said, what about that over there? Right? So, oh yeah. So now the coxswain gives the order to the pilot to maneuver over to there so they can check it. You know, why is it there? Does it have gas in it? Was it left there for a reason? You know, so we got to find these things out, and we want to take it down so nobody else has to worry about it. You know, so we got over there. It didn't have any gas in it. Don't ask me how it was staying there with the wind, but we took it, and at that point, fine. Now we're driving. We're heading back out of the harbor, and underneath the pier, I see a guy welding. And I said, what's that over there? Oh, the guy's just working on it. How do we know he's working on it? Did you get a call saying that while you're on patrol, we have a guy working on it? You know, so if you see this guy, don't worry about it. No. So how do you know? Call it in. So you call the Coast Guard station. there's a guy out here on pier number so and so underneath, appears to be doing some welding. You know, are you aware of that? No, we're not, but we'll send somebody out to check it. Okay, see? So that's when you're doing your safety patrols. That's what you do. And then you drop anchor occasionally and just hang out. You know, you don't be pulling boats over if they're going too fast and shit. You're not there to do that. You know, you're hanging out, you drop anchor, you see a collision, you know, you see somebody fall in the water that was skiing, you know, somebody's diving but they haven't got a diving flag up, you know, and then you go over there and hey, you know, we're not here to break your stones. If you're gonna dive, you gotta have a flag. It's all for your own good. You know, you don't write out tickets. You know, if somebody happens to fall in the water and you see them having problems, well then you mosey on over there with your boat, stay far enough away, but have a throw ready so you can throw them what they need, or have your vest on because in case you may get in there, and I don't care if you know how to swim or not, but when you got somebody that needs you in the water, they're going to take you down with them, so you need the vest. But it's actually fun. It is. You can enjoy it, and it can be a pain in the ass at times. Night patrol, sometimes you go out at night. I used to like going out at night. That was my favorite time. Alright, I'm looking for it and I can't find it.